They say you got the real thing when nothing else matters. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you like. I love you like that. Know how they say you got the real thing when nothing else matters. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you. I love you. I love you like that. All I wanna say is I got the real thing when nothing else matters. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you like that. I love you like that.
Super performance. Thank you very much, Dagny. That was a real pleasure. Thank you. Dagny from Norway, ladies and gentlemen. And here it is, our all-new A-Class. I think the song said it all. Love you like that. Hey, Mercedes, you look amazing.
Thank you. That's so sweet. I am blushing.
Oh, don't worry. No need to be embarrassed. These people here seem to like your appearance as much as I do. As you can see, the new exterior design really is clean and clear. And it foreshadows where our entire product design is going to go in the future. This is our grown-up A-Class. Please come on up and check it out for yourselves. Just allow us 1 extra minute to do our team photos first. Thank you very much.